Next, I have Sri Ramesh Vardhan, who has a BE in Mechanical Engineering from Madras University with a postgraduate diploma in Plastics Engineering from CPET, followed by an MBA from NM Institute in Mumbai, the reputed institute, and a computer diploma. He has not stopped studying, and he started his career with an Austrian firm as a technical person, as a technical support engineer, and then worked his way up in heading the business unit for India for the Austrian firm. That's not a small amount of effort. And then subsequently he was working with an Italian firm, specifically starting a greenfield project in Ahmedabad, and worked there for 6 years, followed by his current working with Yizumi, specifically in the area of as a managing director of the firm, and he has over 25 to 30 years of experience, and we invite him to share his experience with regard to the technological trends for IMM, in-mold decoration, and in-mold circuit printing. Please welcome him.
Vanakkam. It's always my pleasure to come back to my hometown and also to see my old friends and my all customers. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss some important topics which is now we are under developing in the worldwide market, technological trends in injection molding. And before going to it, a small introduction about my company. And Yizumi HPM is originally an American company which has more than 140 years experience. And so we have a global presence. We originated from US, then we have factories in China and also India, and now Mexico and Vietnam. And what is the Yizumi, different from the other Chinese manufacturers? So we have our own innovation strength. We have our own R&D platforms where more than 800 people working on R&D. We are the largest patent hold company in the injection molding technology. More than 400 patents we are holding since 1930 through HPM and Yizumi. And we spend every year more than 180 million RMB for the R&D purpose. So we have, apart from the manufacturing, we have a dedicated global innovation center in China, working with our R&D center in Germany, with a lot of local universities, with the material development center in Brazil. So we are really an innovative company. So we produce a lot of new technology. We work with other partners in the worldwide. And 1.5 years back, we built our own factory in Ahmedabad. We bought 25 acres of land and will build 2 lakh square feet factory where we are producing almost 70 to 80 machines per month at this moment. This is my factory in Ahmedabad. So we have all over presence in India. We have branch office. We have tech center in Chennai. And I think you have been hearing from the morning a lot of things about iFactory, robotics, WMS system, all the technology. Is it really helpful? Has anyone tried integrating? Because we all talk, we heard a lot of things. But if you want to implement, it costs. And what is going to bring, we have to experience. So someone has taken the risk of finding out what is the advantage. So since we are an innovative company, we decided to implement an iFactory, really cloud manufacturing factory. And you cannot believe it was tremendous effort. We put a lot of investment, but it brought back you the lot of savings and a lot of quality improvement, everything. So you all from the injection molding my side. So you know that how many days for us to make an injection molding assembly. before testing. I think many people. Let me share my experience. Normally in Ahmedabad, I am producing the machine 7 to 8 working days, right from the base. I add hydraulics, electrical panel, wiring, wire harness, then motor assembly, everything, machine ready, assembled, and to go for a testing. It's a machine ready for assembly and go for a testing means 7 working days. I worked in European companies, Germany as well as Italy. They have, the automobile line system. They may produce around 3 to 4 working days. But believe me, when we made a cloud manufacturing system, iFactory, it's created. We are now producing an injection molding machine every 13 minutes. So this is the real advantage of, integrating WMS, iFactory, AGV, all the system. This is a typical example how a factory, how a manufacturing, integrating all that can bring you a lot of advantages.
It makes them happen. Here, a new trend in machinery manufacturing is possible to witness. Based on the concept of lean manufacturing and the application of AI, big data, IoT, and other technologies, Yizumi Intelligent Manufacturing System was formed. Total digitalization for entire production management, production planning, quality control, and even the status of equipment operation could be tracked accurately by the system. It takes only 15 minutes to assemble an injection molding machine in an automated mode. Moreover, Yizumi iFactory provides a better working environment for the employees and thus boosts productivity significantly. A 33% reduction in the production cycle and an 80% increase in overall output. With the application of digital twinning technology of machine simulation, Yizumi Intelligent Manufacturing System could provide executable virtual models through real-time interconnection with the manufacturing equipment and upgrade the production plant to realize the smart and automated flexible manufacturing system of multi-product, multi-form, and multi-flow mixed production. With the help of IoT and advanced detectors, each sort of quality indicator and energy data could be tracked in real time to ensure constant quality. Up to 99.99% of part selection accuracy, the smart storage and retrieval system could achieve high-density storage. Under the support of WMS, various sets to automated equipment are widely used. AGV, LGV, AMR. Through man-machine collaboration, work efficiency can be increased by 3 times, while manpower input and logistics costs can be reduced by 70%. More even pay and longer lifespan, Yizumi fully automated spring solution can not only provide more excellent spring quality, but also protect the health of the employees more effectively. Thanks to the strategy of system.
So this is what, the iFactory call, you can make a machine 30 minutes. Okay, this is we created. What is, the value for the customer? So many customer visiting us, they won't implement, the same idea. One of a very famous EV manufacturer in China, they want to do the same iFactory for the molding. So now I can show you how we implemented iFactory, molding iFactory. I think this is going to be the future sooner or later down the line, 10 years. 80% of the factory should be, going to the cloud manufacturing. This is a auto bumper molding solution with the iFactory solution.
Smart bumper manufacturing solution model. Yizumi Smart Manufacturing Solution defines the smart technological embodiment of automation technology, information technology, internet technology, cloud technology, RFID identification technology, wireless sensor technology, and so on. Through a YMS system, it can achieve the real-time supervision and monitoring of the equipment, orders, and product quality. In addition, it can also realize ERP
So the advantage, now it takes only 12 minutes, 12 to 30 minutes to change the bumper mold or piece to end up the production to start the production. Only 12 minutes in a 2,500 to 3,000 ton machine. And now the trend in the injection molding as well as the die casting metal is going very, very big. So we built recently a 8,500 ton, 250 kg short weight machine. In die casting, we already built 9,000 ton. Now we are building 11,000 ton. Now the EV car, the entire base is now single piece molded. So now trend is going on a higher ton injection molding machine. Now the new topic, we talked about the in-mold circuit or in-mold labeling. We heard about all the in-mold labeling. Now the new trend is going on is in-mold electronics. What is this in-mold electronics and what is its advantage? So in-mold electronics has a lot of flexibility. So if you see typically a remote control, you can see the top and bottom cover. Inside there is a PCB and also there is the silicon pad will be there. So we integrated this, the switch panel into the molding itself. So we eliminated the completely PCB and directly go into the system. So now this is all the EV car touchscreen panel application is mostly developing on this system. Okay, so this is it's like IML system, but the IML is made with the integrated circuit printing. Okay. So what applications? A lot of body health monitoring, like flexible devices, pressure sensing, electronic labeling system, RF antenna, heating and test systems, ambient lighting, everywhere used. See, you can see the typical applications where they used in automation. And you can see even nowadays the logos are made with integrated electronics so that they glow in different colors. And air conditioning panel, touch panel, shift panel, home appliances devices. Okay. This is a typical video how this is a product in manufacturing. And you see here there is no mechanical switch, so it is completely mechanical free failures. No, it's a dust proof and waterproof, and it's completely integrated. And we eliminated the intermediate PCBs. This machine. This is in-mold electronics. Then now the new development is coming now in-mold electronic with the in-mold coating. You heard about the in-mold labeling. Labeling we coat outside and bring it as an insert molding. Now the new trend is catching up is the surface coating. You want to get a shine surface, scratch-free surface. So now then the technology is coming into polyurethane. So but you all know polyurethane is a very typical process, a reaction injection molding. It's not like injection molding. So we developed the technology where we integrate the rim into the injection molding so that it's injection molding with reaction injection molding creating the effect of the coating. So this is, polyurethane coating. So what is and this is catching up very well in the automotive industry, particularly this is polyurethane coating is a self-healing. If you scratch the face because of the rubber property, it self-heal within 24 hours. So it's impossible to make a scratches. And self-release because the rubber itself is a self-release, and you can create any transparent effect because this is 99% transparent as a glass. So you get a very glossy surface and almost 92%, and we can create a 3D effect. Okay, and so this project has been successfully implemented in BMW, IPI, i7, Mercedes, all the European manufacturers. You can see the typical application here on the front panels, wherever you need to have a glassy surface, and then if you put a finger in, it never scratches. Okay, you can see here the i7, even the grill system is now coated with polyurethane. This is a typical application, how we integrate the injection molding and the reaction injection molding into one single production. So this BMW i7 grills are made with this kind of technology. And also there is an in-mold decoration. This is a catching, mobile phones, wherever, whatever you need to have in a decorative surface. So you can also have the, the in-mold decoration. And the last for today is we are going to talk about the multi-layer. This is a new trend developing. You all know that, thick lens. Today, all the focus lamp in the car with the focus lamp, we have thick lenses. And the lenses goes from even 20 mm or 250, 60 mm. What is the pain points in molding, lenses is a long cycle time. And because of, it's a high thickness, there is a chances of blowhole. And also the chances of yellowing, transparency, ratio will come to easy to shrink. And because of this shrink, provide transmittance. What I surprise is in India, only one or two manufacturers are manufacturing these lenses. Most of the lenses we import from Taiwan or Japan. I don't know why. Okay. So we have to find out the solution for this. So now we come with a multi-layer injection molding. It's, to reduce, the effect of the heater and cooling and shrink. So we mold the, lenses layer by layer. Okay, so that way you can reduce your cycle time, means you can increase your this thing. You can see here the typical table. If I make, for example, 40 mm lens, if I make a double layer, the cycle time is coming around 330. If I make single layer, the cycle time is 780 seconds. If I make double layer, 330 seconds. If I make 6 layer, it's 180 seconds. So imagine the productivity and the quality of the product. So we recently developed a 6-layered injection molding machine for the lens, complete automation solution, which is installed for a German company. Six-station rotary table. Is a quality check. So you can see 99.99% accuracy for the transparency ratio. Thank you for your trust, and I am proudly say thanks for my some customers here. Since last 6 years, we installed more than 2,800 machines in India, from 60 to 3,000 ton. Thank you, particularly Suresh sir, Jagdishan sir. Thank you very much for your support all the time. Due to the time, I run very fast, because Muthu was very particular. He told 3 times I have to finish within 20 minutes. I hope Muthu I done the job. So if you have any detailed questions, I am here. Mr. Wilman, my colleague from he's head of the Asian sales for the Yizumi is here. Muthu is there. Or anybody want the even the bumper solution, the real running factory video also we can share. Anybody interested later on? I hope it's useful for you the informations.